world, I used to run. And mommy still won't let me go outside. So I'm going to scare you. I'm going to get you. I'm in your nightmare. I had to be nice. I had to be nice. What do I do? Do I spin around? Okay, we're going to play a game. It's a spinning game. If your mother doesn't want you to go outside, just do what I do. On the count of 3. Because she says it's raining, or you need to clean up, or you need to brush your teeth. Or you're going to get in the mud and stuff. You don't need to get dirty. 1. Yeah. 2. Yeah. 3. Yeah. 4. But stop when your stomach hurts. Okay, start again when it stops hurting. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop again because I know it hurts because mine hurts. Okay, let's play patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake. I don't know the rest of the song, so we can, well, I do. I never remember. Patty cake, you ready? Patty cake, baker's man. Put it in the oven as fast as you can. Roll it and pot it and put it in the, I believe they say tea. Now ain't nobody looking at me. Oh, we can play peekaboo. You wanna play peekaboo with me? Ready? 1, 2, ready? Peekaboo. 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 You know, I'm mad right now. I don't wanna entertain you. I wanna go outside. And mommy doesn't want me to go outside. She wants me to stay here and find other things to do. Clean up, read books, brush your teeth, do this, hang my clothes, all of this bug crap. Ooh, I did say, don't let your mother hear me say that or she's gonna turn me off. What do? We did a lot. We played with the crutches and played patty cake. Mock mommy, That's me. I'm about to be silly. You know what? I'm gonna sneak out. I'm gonna sneak out. I'm about to sneak out. You know what? I'm about to sneak out. I know you're not making noise on there. No, mommy. No, mommy. I'm reading, mommy. Yeah, I'm reading. I know you're not making noise. No, mommy. I know you're not mocking me. No. I'm about to sneak. Watch me, you guys. Watch me sneak, you guys. I'm not here. Shh. Don't tell my mommy. Don't tell my mommy. Don't tell my. If you don't tell my mommy, please don't tell my mommy. I need my shoes. I'll be back, you guys.